Hello fans, welcome to another episode of Craftbox Cars. Today, we have Tibbs' first episode. So, today, I have a little story. I have an electric cutout on this car. Well, it always breaks. We have a video from over a year ago of us fixing it, and it's broken again. I'm so sick of it. So today, what we're doing is, we're gonna cut a hole here, like that. We're gonna make a dual exhaust. Well, we're gonna bring it to the same exhaust shop that did the Bronco, and we're just gonna say, F it. We're gonna just have it cut, have a straight pipe. We're about to have a dual exhaust Tibby. It's pretty cool. And Grant here is doing the cutting. He's sleepy. We found out, fans, that this cup that we use for fiberglassing Trixie is at the 1 quart mark. We're gonna just do a little tracing and cut a drawing on the other side.
Is it perfectly sized?
At the 1 quart.
Wow.
At 1 quart. Isn't that awesome?
That is awesome.
JP, how's the weather today? Tell the fans.
Brick.
It's brick outside, dog.
It is straight brick, fans. This is like the best, but also the worst time in Florida.
Hey, look, what hasn't driven in forever. Not my fault.
It is his fault.
Alright. Hello.
Are you cold, little boy?
I'm very cold. I want to go home. Hurry up, Grant.
Oh my god, I'm frightened for my life.
I'm so scared because it's not mine.
Well, it's Tibbs.
Wait.
Cool. Making sure there's nothing back there.
That's pretty good, I think. Look at that.
There's a hole in my car.
There's a hole in
There's a
your
hole
car.
in your car. Why'd you have me pull?
That looks like straight trash right now. Oh no.
You're really scared. It's coming through. We're
getting better.
Little wobbles.
Just so you guys can kind of see the previous setup here. Totally stock exhaust. We just got this boof ass cutout on with probably the worst welds I've ever seen. All right, here's a better view, fans. Since I don't have a jack in my garage, I'm kind of pinned under the chassis or the frame, but that's okay. So we have this hideous cat here. We're just gonna leave these here. Eventually, we're gonna get long tube headers because these are actually really gross, and these are all caked with mud because I went mudding probably a few years ago on this thing. So these are all caked with mud still. But there is an O2 sensor right back yonder here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not because I'm pinned in, but she's right there. So we're gonna cut it right here, and they're gonna guide it through there, around the gas tank and out. And just look how bad this cutout is, fans. This is, oh my god, it's loose. Oh my god, it's missing bolts. Oh my lord. I guess it was working fine the whole time, it was just missing bolts. Either way, this thing's a pile of freaking garbage, and it's missing bolts, so that's great. But then you have the other O2 sensor here, so we're gonna cut here, and then we're gonna get rid of this hideous Y. This thing, and let's go. That sounds good.
There we go.
That sounds way better.
Again on the track.
Wow, that is way louder. Oh my god. Brother, Chinauti. All right, fans, a better look at the exhaust. I had to avoid all that Jones. So it is kind of a Y, but they're both Johnnies are now apart. And they go simultaneously all the way to the back. They said screw my spare tire. There you go. So, but overall, I mean, not too bad, huh? Finally looks how it should.
I think we need a salami rating.
Salami rating? Well, it's got big tips, big old holes there. 10 out of 10. Sounds kind of like shit, but, well, fans, Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. And if you like this video, you'll get a kiss from Baby Grant.